still coming back. And that's what happens when you when you have prop guards on. Okay, and let's go ahead and find Tello. And of course, you're probably gonna break a props. You use a blower. I'm using a blower. I'm gonna back it up just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna have it right here. You can tell Tello can handle it without no problem. All right, let's go back here. All right. Okay. You see? I have the controller and it's gonna come back. Where is he at? Blowing it. All right, blowing it from the top. You see? Blowing it from the bottom. You see it? All right, and I move it a little bit because I don't want to hit my fence. And you can see how Tello, you know, look at that. All right, let's go ahead, go this way. All right, we're gonna go one more time, blow it. It's blowing. Woohoo! It's blowing, and he still made it. Look at that. Wow, so it's not even affecting anything. And then this is what happens when you fly this at the beach. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and lower it down a little bit. I have the controller here. I would say a smartphone. And this is what happens when you're flying it on the windy days at the beach, extreme wind. Of course, you're not only hitting the wind, but you're also getting a water. And it's trying. You see that? So you're getting water at the same time. So look at that. That's what you get when you're flying Tello on a extreme wind or rain or whatever. But you can see he's still handling it without no problem. All right. And then not only that, now you're gonna have sand. So doing a sand. There you go. You know how we're gonna go on top of it. Ah, it's shooting me everywhere. There's sand everywhere. See? And then now you're gonna have sand with it. And then we're gonna put sand and water at the same time. So that's what you get at when you're flying this on extreme wind. Now you can see how Tello reacts. See that? He's still flying it. He's still flying it. Even a blower can even handle it. And look at my phone. You see? And he can still able to fly with it. Woo! Stream. See that? Using a blower, guys. I mean, you already know what this thing could do. It'll blow everything. It'll blow all that. You know, and yeah. And it's coming back without no controller. Just using a blower. Wow. That's awesome. He's still fighting. Tello's still fighting on the wind. And this guy. You see that? And I don't have a controller. Coming back this way. Going back it up a little bit. Alright. Use a blower. Using a blower. Woo! And it still come back. Look at that. Wow. So now I got a low battery and it's suspected. And now it's gonna land. And that's how much this guy can do. Never touch the controller. Look at that. Without no problem. I'm using it, I'm blowing it. I mean, I'm still able to blow around, and he's still able to. And that's in low battery. Look at that. Okay. That's in low battery. Blowing it. Oh! And it's really low battery. Wow, that's awesome. Even with a low battery. And that's it. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.